Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today I'll teach you how to upload your artwork and how to make it. As you can see, this is the merch by Amazon. This is my account and this is the create a product page. This is the shirt and you'll choose to upload your design. The artwork dimension must be 4500 pixel by 4500 pixel and in PNG format. You can choose to upload for the front or back or just the front. And here you choose the product type, which is a standard t-shirt, long sleeve, premium, sweatshirt or pullover. Choose or go with the standard t-shirt, it's the most selling one. Now choose your product and upload your artwork. On the next step, you'll choose colors, fit types where available, and set prices. Need artwork templates? Download our product design templates. So let's open that product design template. As you can see in this page, this is the resource page. It's showing you the artwork file specifications, 300 dpi, RGB and PNG format. The file size must not exceed 25 megabyte. Okay, now as you can see, for all of these types, the design must be 4500 by 5400. Or you can simply download the templates for the type of t-shirt that you need. For all artwork files, you can download these. If you want something specific for a long sleeve, mug or other things, you can download these templates. This one is for hoodie, the front only, and this one is for bob sockets. Now let's go back to the all artwork files. As you can see here, we have 3 templates: Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop and GIMP. GIMP is a free software that's used to design, but Photoshop is the most commonly used one. So I'll go with Photoshop, double or click on Adobe Photoshop. As you can see here,